You know. This is in the Philippines. In the Philippines, where the name of the fish is kuyog, pangaritan, and burak. The other one, which the yellow tail, is what you call. What do you call the? Wow, patukain mo din eh. Here the one.
Oh, digi.
Dito.
I want to go snorkeling here.
Oo nga naman. Would you like?
See, our house is like that. You'll probably have to take it better.
Can you swim?
Ah, play with the fish.
Desiree, can you swim?
Yeah, not without equipment here. I want to cover myself up here.
Ay, this is the life jacket.
Life jacket.
Oh no,
That's
I'm
right.
wet. Gonna get wet. No proper swimming gear. Am I right?
Ako pwede eh. Para pagdating doon, ba't basa?
Umulan.
Basang-basa sa ulan. Basang-basa sa ulan. Walang
Perfect. Oh really?
Dumami na ng dumami ang isda.
That's why you know it's clean.
Dumami na ng dumami. Dumami na ng dumami.
No,
See, they like it. They like my feeding.
Hindi
what if you put your hand down there, Dad?
They're gonna bite it.
Will it hurt?
No?
Do it, Dad. Try it. Tell us how it feels.
Try it?
Yes.
You make me
Put your hand. Yeah, we want to see how you do it first.
Oh, natangay. Unahan. Unahan.
Alersin nyo yung malapit sa 1 kilo, ha?
Lagyan mo ng kamay mo kakatin.
Lagay mo sa iyong kamay. Ano ka?
Yung
Asin niya.
tinapay kanina, yung tinapay kanina.
Lagyan mo, tinapay, hina ka. May sila. Sila. Mahingi ka, maliit.
Ayan. Radampot nga, oh.
Bugad ng putin.
How's it feel?
Bago mo bitawan,
Bakit naman?
damputin mo.
Ari naman Kuya Dani, pupunta ka pa ng palengke istana ito.
Damputin mo isa't bago mo bitawan.
Wow, it's colorful too. Where did you
Naku
get
naman.
it? Saan mo kinuha yan?
Talagang dami naman. Talaga naman. Talaga naman hindi kita matatawarin.
How does it feel?
Look.
Sige, lagyan mo.
Do it, Desiree.
Ay, it might my finger.
Bulo, paano nangyari? No, Bulo is still alive.
Yeah.
Wala naman na feel.
Yeah, Bulo, ayaw pala. Bulo, ayaw.
Alin?
Ayaw pala ng ginagawa at wala.
Pare ko.
Siya lang pa pag ano, sunod-sunod na naman yan.
Kuan? Tama eh. Kari pala yung siluin mo yung ayos din, ano, biski siyuin mo. Hindi magagalit. Antay, nasan ka sa plastic? Ha?
It only tickles? It tickles or it bites?
Kung ikaw rin nakikilite o kay kinaka.
Kidding. No.
Kinagat yadi.
I'm not. They always joking me. They always kidding. They want.
Ay, gusto sumanta, oh. Gustong kuhanin. Ay, gusto, parang bata, gusto sumuso.
Kuyog, I love you.
Hindi mo mahawakan yan at may tinik. Ay, may tinik yan. Hindi madampot. Laki mo.
Huhulihin talaga kita naman. Hindi talaga na.
Pagod tayo ng pamamalingkin niya.
Ay.
Pag hinuli mo yung
Yan, sarap.
Kaabot ni Dave, si Catherine, may siyang kamay.
Diyan.
Ayan palang hagdan.
Ayan. Antay ka, stop ko muna.